finding your passion project is key to figuring out what you want to start your entrepreneurial journey on.
Do not worry about valuation of your business. Just think of how can you deliver value.
Aspects of the workshop, the first thing that comes to my mind is team, because that's what the workshop is all about, working with a group of 10 people, and that really gave me a lot of more insight into entrepreneurship.
The most special moment for me, listening to the stories of different entrepreneurs and their journey in making their company successful, which is truly inspiring and encourages me to start up my own business one day.